up and we're Nottingham last, and today we're in Fiskerton on a nice circular walk. I think it's about an hour, and this is in Nottinghamshire. It's a beautiful day, a bit windy, so no drones, and we are in a no-flight zone. But yeah, let's just go and enjoy the view and the walk. Come on. So as you can see, we are in a no-flight zone today, and definitely it's just too windy to fly the drone, so just have to make do with some nice scenic shots.
So here's something interesting about Fiskerton. So Richard Thomas Parker murdered his mother in Fiskerton in 1864, and he was the last person to be publicly hanged in Nottingham. Amazing. 1864, murdered his mother in Fiskerton. I wonder where he murdered her in Fiskerton. I'd love to know.
Okay, so make sure to go and hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying these local walks in Nottingham. We're thinking of the next group walk, so go on Facebook and keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled for the next group walk in Nottingham. It's going to be a great one.
So has anybody else noticed that there seem to be far more dandelions at the moment? I mean, which is fantastic because they're good for the bees. Apparently, it's the first food for the bees of the sort of spring season. But I think that farmers and local councils are making a conscious effort not to chop down the sides of roads, all the dandelions and whatnot, because they're good for the bees. So we've got loads of dandelions in our back garden, which I haven't pulled up because they could, it's good to leave them. So the garden looks really, really untidy. But there you go. So if you're ever out in the countryside and you get stung by one of these little blighters, they're called stinging nettles, you'll almost always guarantee that next to them are these things called dock leaves. They're big leafy plants. And what you can do is, if you've been stung by one of those, you can grab a dock leaf and rub that on the sting, and it'll get rid of it. That's what I was taught when I was a kid. So any of you that don't know this, the yellow flower of the dandelion becomes the clock. And then the little clock is full of all the seeds, which when the wind blows, they get blown, and then they get into the ground or whatever, and then they're there for next year. So what do I wish for? Well, I wish for health, happiness. Oh, and £1 million would help. So behind me is the River Trent. Never, ever, 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 no matter what the dare, no matter how much you're being offered, no matter how drunk you are, never, ever, ever try and swim across the River Trent. You know, some days it may look calm and placid, but there are terrible currents underneath, and anybody who has ever tried to swim across has sadly drowned.
Oh my God. That has to be the most funniest situation I'll always have in my mind. Just all these cows running towards us. I look back at Deb, she's got a biscuit in her mouth. Well, there's no chance you're going to get away from them. What a fun job that must be. Yeah. Absolutely vile. Will it go in? Yeah. Imagine coming back from work every day smelling like that. So that's the end of our walk. It was actually 4 miles in the end. I thought it was only 1.6, but someone got the miles wrong. But it's fine, it's been an absolutely lovely walk. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button to see more local walks in Nottingham. This is one of Nottinghamshire's local walks. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.